Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can change the screen size of your Toshiba television. So if your screen is not fitting the full size of the television or you're getting some sort of black borders around the edges, then this is going to show you exactly how to fix this. Now, the first thing we need to do is just grab your Toshiba television remote. And then from here, you need to press this blue home button in the middle here. So for me on my television remote, it looks like this one here. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that. And this is going to take us to the home screen, and down in the bottom left-hand side, you just need to press the down arrow on your television remote. And we're going to come all the way down to settings. Then next thing you need to do is just press the right arrow key to come over to the picture tab, and then we're just going to select OK on our remote. Now inside of here, you'll have access to all of the television picture settings. So we're just going to scroll down to this mode section, and what you need to do is just scroll across these television modes and pick the mode that's best suited for you. So for example, if you're using your television for gaming, we can come into this game mode over here. And once you've done that, we're just going to scroll down to advanced settings and hit OK. And the next thing you need to do is come down to picture zoom. And once again, from here, this is going to change some dimensions of our television. So at the moment, you can see I have mine set to full, but if you are getting some sort of black borders or the screen isn't fitting the full television, then what you can do here is just move across and change the aspect ratio. So this is all going to come down to personal preference. But for me, I'm going to keep this set to full. And once you've finished inside of here, we can just press the home button again to exit out of this menu. And it's as simple as that, guys, and that's how you change the screen size on your Toshiba television. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.